Hey math friends, Jordan here. So Unit 2 just happened, and I just kind of wanted to do a quick little video to summarize all of the themes that I saw on all the discussions because I don't really honestly expect you to read every single discussion thread like I do. That's what I do. So I'm going to summarize a couple of key points, a couple of tips hopefully, and then that'll be it. So biggest tip, biggest theme that emerged, and a lot of you guys talked about this, start your units early. So Unit 3 is open today. You should be rocking out on that as soon as you can because life happens, right? We get sick. The kids get sick. You get called in for extra shifts at work. Somebody dies in your family. You lose your job. Like just life happens. That's how it is for everybody. So start your units early so you're not in a panic. And if something does happen and you need an extension, obviously let me know. But then if you need an extension, you don't have as much to do, right? Maybe it's only a couple of assignments that you need some more time on instead of the whole unit. So if you do that, you're going to have a better time, a better experience. Number two, communicate with me and please let me know what's happening with you. Guys, I care about how you do in this course. Your success is my success. I want you to be good at math. I want you to go into the program that you want to, and I want you to contribute to the economy of Nova Scotia. That's why we're doing all this stuff, right? And lately it's been really, really quiet. I know you guys are working. I know that, and I say guys, by the way, it's just because that's like the Cape Bretoner in me. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, of course. But I know everyone's working. I know you're doing well, but let me know how it's going. Drop me a line. Let me know if you need help. There's no need for anyone in this course to feel frustrated or stressed out. I'm just a Skype click away. Like really, I'm available mornings, afternoons, evenings, weekends. I really work hard to be available for you. So if you need anything at all, if you're struggling with organization, if you're struggling with some math stuff, usually like a 15 to 30 minute Skype session will fix you right up and away you go. So don't feel that you have to do this yourself. Don't feel that you have to scour YouTube for videos. I'm the guy to see. I can help you, okay? I'm here. So let me know. Another theme that emerged, check your work, right? If we get something like this, we have the root of x plus 2 equal to 3. If you get any algebraic equation at all ever, just get it equal to 0. If you can do that, you can graph it and see what's going on. So like just a quick example here. I'm not going to work a bunch of math problems for you, but if we had this equal to 0, we can take this and blast it into Desmos and just see what's happening, right? It literally takes a minute, and if you do it enough times, you can just kind of go in and clear. So here I just typed it in. Here's our graph, and we can see we have only one solution here. It's going to be 7, right? This crosses the x-axis at 7. And say I had another question. Say it was like, x plus, 4 or something like that. It gets even easier because you kind of have the template, you know, in, you can mess around with it. It takes no time at all. So I'm not saying just graph everything and get the answer, but checking your work is easy, okay? And this was not a proctor test, so you can definitely do this. It's all good. So just a quick tip there. You can graph anything, friends. Number 4, quadratics. Quadratics are definitely important because they show maximization and minimization. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, when we have a quadratic that faces upward, like a positive value, something like this, we have a minimum, right? This is the lowest point right here. This is the minimum. And the opposite is true as well. If we have a negative quadratic, a downward facing one, then we have a maximum, right? And this is important all the time. If you're going to be engineering, if you're going to be designing things, creating things, fabricating things, we're always looking to maximize things. Maybe we're looking to maximize profits or the surface area of a new can we're developing. Maybe we're looking to design a house or room, so we want to maximize the area so that we make the most efficient use of space. We're going to use quadratics a lot. If you're looking at calculus, we're definitely going to be dealing more with, the slope, the area underneath a quadratic over a given domain. So you're going to see this stuff again and again and again. And I know this is historically a unit that a lot of students struggle with, but make quadratics your friends, guys. They're going to come back again and again and again. All right? That's all I'm going to rant to you about there. The last one, and probably the most important one, is the process by which you're working through this course. Now, everybody works a little bit differently. There's going to be things that work for you that don't work for some of your classmates. But in general, here's what you should be doing. Number 1, the videos in My Math Lab. Please watch them. I made them for you. Yes, I know they're recordings, but I did them for you, okay? So I want you to watch the videos. Then right into My Math Lab. Don't dawdle around. Don't mess around. Don't be on the internet reading anything like that, get right into the homework. Now, if you get stuck at the homework, this is the key point where you can reach out. So obviously, I'd recommend you reach out to me, use the Ask My Instructor button, set up some Skype sessions, email, post in the Q&A, all that good stuff. A lot of you have identified Khan Academy as a great resource, and it definitely is. So check that out as well. Even if you don't really want to search Khan or you don't even know what you're looking for, let me know. I can search it for you and send you some links. It's a great website. But also any other resources. I know everyone has like their favorite kind of YouTube tutors, friends, tutors, colleagues, people in your class, what have you. Okay, so that's the point to reach out only when you need it. But hopefully the video gives you enough to kind of get punched into MyMathLab and make some progress. Now do that for every assignment. When you're ready, hit the pretest up, right? I didn't mean to do that. Hit the pretest up. So the pretest, as I said before, that will determine how well you're going to do in the test. If you get like a 70 or above, I would say I'd just pick 70, but it's kind of your comfort level. If you're a 70 above in the pretest, go do the test. Live your life, you're going to rock it. If you get less than 70, obviously I want you to review your results and then come back up to this support line. Let me know, hey Jordan, I didn't do that well in the pretest. There's a couple things that I just can't seem to get. Again, a quick Skype call usually, fixes a lot of that stuff up. And Skype, by the way, friends, is very non-creepy. You don't see me, I don't see you. You just hear my voice. We can work on math stuff together, and that's it, okay? So really use that. I think that's an underused thing that I do. Not every instructor does, but I definitely do, okay? I'm always available there. Once you're reviewed and once you're good to go, you can redo your pre-test and then do the test and move on from there. If you fail the test, review and let me know again. We can create a plan together to make you successful. But again, I really want to drive that home. It's quiet over here, guys. Like, I know everyone's working, but most days I'm just sitting here like twiddling my thumbs, I have other work to do, don't get me wrong, but use me. I'm here to help you, okay? And you guys, Math 1047, this is my biggest class. So I have most of my time allocated to you, but nobody's using me. So switch that up, make these adjustments. It's all about learning. It's a journey, friends. Just keep going forward, okay? I know you're going to dial this in by the end of the course. Hopefully we'll have a great result. Okay, so Unit 3 is live now. You should be working on that. I split up Unit 3 into 2 units. It's Part A and B. Part A is going to be the proctored. We're going to be talking about exponential functions now, which is kind of related to quadratics. It's like half of a quadratic. And then Unit 3 Part B will be on logarithms, and that's kind of the opposite of an exponential function. All right, so jump right into that. Don't mess around. Make sure you book your proctored test for this one. It is due on the 24th of February, so you only got 2 weeks. Keep moving. As always, let me know if you need anything, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.